Mercedes ECU unlock secret revealed. Autotuners new service explained. Welcome back to Baabji Motors, the home of car lovers, tinkerers, and those brave enough to open an ECU and not panic. Before we unlock today's powerful secret about the Mercedes Continental EMS71 ECU and how Autotuner's new service is changing the game, here's a quick but important note. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All demonstrations, explanations, and opinions you're about to hear are shared to help technicians, enthusiasts, and learners get better at their craft. Everything you see and hear here follows fair use guidelines and is intended solely for education and review. No copyrighted material is used for commercial purposes, and all brand names and trademarks belong to their rightful owners. Always respect manufacturer instructions and your local laws when working on vehicles. Now let's dive in. But first, here's something you can do for me while you're watching. Can we hit 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours? That would absolutely make my day and help keep this channel alive and growing. So please, hit that subscribe button now, ring that bell so you never miss a tip, and stick with me till the end because today's story is packed with info you won't find anywhere else. Here's a little challenge for you. Do you know where exactly in the car the EMS71 ECU is located? If you already know the answer, don't wait. Drop in the comments right now, and let's see who gets it right first. All right, buckle up because today we're uncovering a brand new way to unlock the Mercedes Continental EMS71 ECU, thanks to Autotuner's latest remote unlock service. Now here's the situation. If you've ever tried to work on a Mercedes equipped with the EMS71 ECU, you probably already know that tools like Flex, B-Flash, CMD, and many others don't support it on the bench. They simply don't have a protocol for this unit. But just when it felt impossible, Autotuner stepped in to save the day. So what exactly is the EMS71? It's an engine control unit, or ECU, designed by Siemens/Continental, and it sits at the heart of many newer, smaller displacement Mercedes-Benz models. This includes cars powered by the M282 engine, like the A-Class, W177, B-Class, W247, CLA Class, C118, GLA Class, H247, and GLB Class, X247. The EMS71 is no ordinary ECU. It manages critical engine operations like fuel injection, ignition timing, and the air-fuel mixture to ensure your engine performs smoothly, efficiently, and cleanly. So here's the good news. Autotuner now officially offers an unlock service for the EMS71 through their remote unlock. What does this mean for you? Once your ECU is unlocked, you can read and write via OBD flawlessly. No headaches, no messy workarounds, just plug in and go. Now let me walk you through the process step by step so you can understand how beautifully simple this is. First, you purchase the remote unlock service directly from Autotuner's online shop. Next, you'll need to carefully open your ECU, yes, on both sides, and fully separate the circuit board from the casing before shipping it out. Make sure you have the right tools for this job: a heat gun, a chisel, a tri-lobe screwdriver set, a torque screwdriver set, and a fastback compact flip knife for tool. Once the ECU is fully opened and prepped, Autotuner will send you a shipping label and even schedule a DHL pickup at no additional cost. Then, the experts at Autotuner will unlock your ECU in their lab and send it right back to you, ready to go. It's important to note, Autotuner will not process any ECU that is closed or partially opened. It must be fully open and the circuit board clearly separated from the case. The EMS71 is usually located in the rear left wheel arch of the vehicle, so be prepared to access it there. Some key specs worth knowing. This ECU uses a TC277 microcontroller. Once unlocked, OBD read and write takes about 1 minute. It supports checksum correction. Remote unlock is required before OBD operations. And that's it. Once you receive your unlocked ECU back, you can handle everything comfortably through OBD as you'd expect. Now, let's pause for a second. If you're finding this guide helpful so far, could you please take a moment to show your love by smashing that like button? Let's hit our target of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in 24 hours. And while you're at it, why not share your thoughts in the comments? What do you think about this new unlock service? Have you already worked on an EMS71 before? Share your experience below, and let's help each other out. Speaking personally, I think this is a fantastic leap forward. The fact that Autotuner finally provides a solution for the EMS71 means technicians around the world can now confidently service these vehicles without frustrating dead ends. It's a big win not just for professionals, but also for enthusiasts who love to do things right. But I'm also curious, what's your take on it? Do you think sending the ECU to Autotuner for unlocking is worth the wait and effort, or would you rather see a fully bench-ready protocol in the future? Tell me in the comments below. I really want to know what you think. Oh, and before I forget, here's a random tip for you while we're on the topic of ECUs. Always handle circuit board with care and avoid touching chips or contacts with bare hands. Oils from your skin can damage sensitive components over time. Use gloves whenever possible. Now, remember the question I asked at the start of the video? I asked, do you know where the EMS71 ECU is located in the car? Well, here's the answer. It's tucked away in the rear left wheel arch sneaky spot, isn't it? In my view, Autotuner has really stepped up and filled an important gap with this unlock service. The fact that they've made the process so streamlined, including a shipping label and even the pickup, shows how much they understand technicians' needs. I believe this unlock service will save countless hours in workshops around the world and make Mercedes tuning far more accessible. What about you? Do you agree with me? Or do you see it differently? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't hesitate. Drop them in the comments now. Before we wrap up, here's a fun fact for you. Did you know the term ECU was first popularized in the 1980s when electronic fuel injection started replacing carburetors? Back then, ECUs were about the size of a shoebox. Now they're so compact and powerful they can manage dozens of engine parameters in real time. So, if you've enjoyed this deep dive and want to keep learning alongside me, please like this video, drop a comment, and share it with someone who'd appreciate it. Help me hit that target of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments in the next 24 hours. And if you haven't already subscribed, now's the time. Join our Baabji Motors family today. Thanks so much for watching till the end. Happy diagnosing, and I'll see you in the next one.